Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security service. Trains service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform 11 is the 11:46 London Midland service to Crewe, calling at Lichfield Trent Valley, Rugeley Trent Valley, Stafford, Stone, Stoke-on-Trent, Kidsgrove, Alsager and Crewe. Platform 11 for the 11:46 London Midland service to Crewe. Of the 12:03 Virgin Trains service to Birmingham New Street, calling at Rugby, Coventry, Birmingham International and Birmingham New Street. Please be aware that tickets marked London Midland trains only are not valid on this train. Platform 8 for the 11:49 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. Please travel in the front train only for Watford Junction, Milton Keynes Central, Northampton, Long Buckby, Rugby, Coventry. Platform 8 is the 11:49 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Northampton. Please travel in the front train only for Watford Junction, Milton Keynes Central, Northampton, Long Buckby, Rugby, Coventry, Canley.